Oklahoma summers are beautiful, right up until the sky turns green. Severe thunderstorms, hail, and heavy rain can find their way into your home through a tired roof, a clogged gutter, or a seal you forgot about. The good news? Most summer storm water damage is preventable. Before the next big storm, walk your roof for loose shingles, clear out your gutters, test your sump pump, check your window and door seals, and make sure your yard drains away from the house. A weekend of prep can save you weeks of cleanup. At Courtesy Care Restoration, we are here when you need us, day or night.